Hi guys, I just wanted to make this little video. It's kind of like an add-on to the Glock upgrades video. I weighed everything, every part of the gun. Of course, the frame had the trigger assembly in it and the little front block in it. It was just the only thing it was missing was the rear pin in the grip. And so these are the weights for everything in grams. And if you see, like here, there's 2 weights, recoil spring. The first number you see will be the original factory part weight, and this will be the part that I upgraded it with. As you can see, like the recoil spring, went from 10 grams to 23 grams, but the striker went from 9.5 to 5, and the plunger went from almost 2 to 1. This one actually went up just a tenth of a gram. This one weighs a little bit more, and this added weight. So this is the weight of the Glock 19, totally stock, the 1-pin frame, and with all the factory parts. This is how much it weighed in grams. It's 21.29 ounces. When I upgraded it, added all those parts, actually added parts, the tactical lanyard, butt plug, I added to it, and it only went up 14 grams. So for all you people that worry about weight out there, thanks for watching.